Hi, and welcome back to Science with Miss Wardell. This is lesson 2 in What is Weather? It's page 389, and we're going to be talking about how can weather in this city be measured. So how can weather be measured? Well, we use things called a wind meter. So there's a wind meter that we use. Helps to measure the wind speed. We can use a rain gauge. So it collects water to say how much on average it has rained. A rain gauge. And then to measure the air, we can measure with a thermometer to tell the temperature. With a thermometer. A few vocabulary words that we're going to be looking at in this lesson is we're going to look at oxygen. So we use oxygen to breathe. We're going to be looking at atmosphere. We've talked a little bit about atmosphere in that with our space unit. We're going to be talking about weather and temperature. And it's such a fun lesson to do in the spring because our temperature starting to change. We are able to have more play dates and be outside, enjoy the nice spring weather and everything that's blooming. Okay, turn over to page 390 and we're going to be reading today about clouds. Okay? A world of weather. The sun's energy causes the water cycle. It also affects the weather. As the sun heats Earth, temperatures change. And changing temperatures mean changing weather. So it tells us, can you go outside? Is it warm enough? Is it cold enough? Is it raining? What is it like? As we read these 2 pages, we're going to underline a lesson vocabulary words in each time it's used. Earth is surrounded by a layer of gases. This layer of gases is Earth's atmosphere. There's atmosphere. Oxygen is one of the gases in Earth's atmosphere. Most living things need oxygen to survive. Water vapor is another type of gas in Earth's atmosphere. Conditions in the atmosphere can change. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at any one place and time. If the atmosphere over your school is warm and dry in the morning, your weather is warm and dry. But the atmosphere and your weather could change. The weather could be cool and rainy by the afternoon. Okay, so here's another great thing. So this picture of this cloud, it's a cumulus cloud. And these clouds are often tall and have flat tops. They sometimes look like mushrooms and often produce thunderstorms. We're going to be looking at different types of clouds, which is a lot of fun because then you can look up and find different types of clouds. Remember, we're still underlining those vocabulary words. There are many different types of clouds. Each type of cloud has a different shape, and the type of clouds in the sky can tell you what kind of weather may be coming. Cirrus. Clouds are thin and feathery. Cirrus clouds form high up in the atmosphere where temperatures are cold. They are often a sign that the weather is about to change. So they kind of look streaky and feathery like. A cumulus cloud have flat bottoms and are puffy on the top. They look like piles of cotton. Cumulus clouds usually mean fair weather. Oh, there's weather. but they can develop into cumulus clouds. Stratus clouds look like thin blankets. Often they hang low in the atmosphere. Stratus clouds can mean that light rain or snow is coming. So it kind of looks like a blanket just laid across the sky. Suppose the weather is fair. What type of cloud might you see in the atmosphere? Draw and label them. So I'm going to have you do this. Look for what is fair. So look back in here and see if you have fair weather or good weather. Okay? All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.